Happy Saturday! Oh! Good job you're wearing a helmet. Where are we going?
To the park, with my bike. Can I show you something?
Sure. Dad's just getting us water.
Hey, is that for me?
Yeah. Where does it go?
For me and you.
Wait, why is that?
So that it can fit in here.
Because Dad said the regular water bottle doesn't fit in there.
Sure. Let's go with it.
All right. You ready to ride your bike?
Yeah.
All right. Show me.
Okay.
You got it.
Right uphill.
Good job.
Well, where do we want to go?
Not this way. To the park, which is back the other way. Reverse.
But can you put it on the street?
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Stay.
I'm right here.
I'll make sure to follow a straight line. So you want it to be near the curb without hitting the curb.
Oh.
Mommy, isn't this cool?
Yeah, you're doing so good.
Are you gonna do videos when we get to the park?
Yeah, we'll do some videos when we get to the park of you playing and things.
Yeah. We're gonna get uphill, right?
Uphill? No, right now it's just straight. Want to beep your horn?
This is how it works. I didn't even have a bell on this, only a horn.
Yeah, just a horn.
Don't leave me.
I'm not leaving you. Come on. Remember what Daddy said? You rock back and forth if you need to get going again. Get a little momentum going and pedal. Oh, yeah, you can do that as well.
Look at this, followers. Am I doing a great job?
You got to steer over this way, though. Yeah, you can't be on the road. Good job. Good job.
I'm doing such a good job.
I'm proud of you for learning how to ride your bike.
Such a beautiful forest.
It is a beautiful forest.
And the forest,
Yep.
let's get on the rock and then you climb. Mommy! The trick is to go this way. Do you know where I'm gonna go, Mama?
Where are you going to
I know, but I can't tell you.
go?
You know where I'm gonna go.
To the other green thing for a safe spot?
Nope. It is cool.
Yeah.
I can get down.
Good.
Can I get down too?
You're just getting down from there?
Oh no.
Whoa! Oh no, you're trapped! What will you do now? It's like an obstacle course for you.
Yeah. And guys, watch this. Here, Mama.
Woo! Good job, Essie!
Do it with this.
Yeah.
I can even get down. Are you scared?
Um,
to get down.
No, I'm good. Are you scared to get down?
I can get down easy.
Yeah, you're like a professional at this playground. You've been coming here for a long time. Woo! How'd you get way up there? Was it magic? You gonna slide down?
Ow, 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 ow!
Was it hot? Oh.
Ow,
Oh, I think you're more pretending. Are you pretending?
no.
It was really hot on your hands. That's the unfortunate part about slides when it's sunny. The plastic gets so hot. But you know what? Slides used to be made out of metal, and the metal would be even hotter. So plastic, I think, is a better alternative. It's a thing for you to climb up on and balance, I think.
Ah.
Are you going to do it? Oh, okay. What are you going to do? Hi. Yes, it is. Finally this afternoon. It wasn't so great this morning. Yes, for sure.
This is hot too.
That's hot too? Yeah, I guess everything's hot when it's in the sun. You're doing a good job climbing though. Are you going to go down the other slide?
Yeah, the baby slide.
Well, it's not really a baby slide. The baby one is over there. Where are you? Peekaboo!
Two.
I see you.
And can you tell me if the slide's too hot?
It's pretty hot too. Just don't touch it with your hands. Just slide down. You're wearing shorts. It should protect your booty. Your legs don't really touch the slide though. Just don't hold your hands on it. Just slide down.
Like you do that?
Yep. Well, you have to get a little closer to the edge of the slide though in order to be able to slide down. You got this. And then hands up and go. Woo-wee! Woo! Was that bad? No, see, it was fine.
But can you pick me up and put me up there?
Sure. We're gonna go all the way to the fire hydrant. All right, you gotta keep coming. All the way to the fire hydrant. You got this. All the way to the fire hydrant. You're almost there. You got this.
I'm there. Let's do a race.
All right, let's do a race. Oh, you're winning. You're winning the race.
I
Oh.
won.
You're not at the fire hydrant, so Mom's gonna win.
Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no, you better come on! You better come on! Oh! 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 Alright. Alright, now let's keep going home, okay? You're doing a good job. I'm proud of you. Why are you pushing your bike?
It's because I was scared.
But you were doing a very good job.
Thanks.
We're almost home though.
Yeah.
Alright, let's keep going. Do you want to bike the rest of the way? Okay. You were doing really good though. I'm proud of you. What is this?
It's a circle.
Well, it's not a full circle. You're missing all of this part if it was a circle. It's like a half circle. A semicircle.
No, it's not a semicircle. It's just something you stand in.
And then what happens?
And then you do this.
Well, beautiful chalk art. I love it.
Like the pink and yellow.
Yeah. And the blue.
I play tic-tac-toe over here.
Oh, you did.
Hi. What do we have here?
How has your Saturday been going?
Good.
Good. We rode your bike to the park. You played some Roblox. You made a craft. And now it's time for dinner. All right, let's see what we have.
So we have some pork chops.
Nope, chicken.
Yeah, chicken. vegetables, and pierogies. You might love pierogies. My gosh, these are not pork.
No, they're chicken.
Yeah, I don't like pork chops.
Yeah, you like pork chops. You like them when I do them with cream and mushroom soup, especially.
Yeah. Ooh, look at the yummy filling.
Mmm.
Mm. So I'm gonna eat a chicken. Mm-mm. Mm.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. I'm so
When
glad.
I do this, I love it.
You love it?
When I do this
Oh, awesome.
move.
Good. That's a good move to do. All right. Enjoy your dinner, my love.